Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss 15 MCQs on modern India, and this is going to be third practice set on modern India. Those who are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. One more announcement is there that you will get the quiz link in the description box below or from our Instagram handle. So go and access them and participate in the quiz. The first question is, we have to arrange them chronologically, that is order wise. Options are Bihar Scientific Society, Aligarh, Brahmo Samaj of India and Banaras Debating Club. To arrange them chronologically, we have to find out the date, right? So the Bihar Scientific Society was formed in 1868, Aligarh Scientific Society was formed in 1864, Brahmo Samaj of India 1866 and Banaras Debating Club 1861. So now we can arrange them accordingly. The first one is going to be 4th, then 2. So this is the correct option, B. 4, 2, 3 and 1. Next question is, the religious custom of sacrificing children at Bay of Bengal was banned by whom? So there was a custom of sacrificing children, but it was banned by Lord Wellesley. Okay, he banned it in 1803 at a place known as Sagar Island in Bay of Bengal. Next question is, Sati was abolished in 1829 by whom? Options are Lord Wellesley, Bentinck, Dalhousie, Ripon. So the correct answer is going to be Lord William Bentinck. He was the first one who abolished this sati, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy played very important role in the passage of this legislation. Next question is, correct statement regarding Raja Ram Mohan Roy is or are. So we have to find out the correct statement from these four options in the context of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Options are, he imbibed rationalism from Perso-Arabic literature. Yes, this is true. He got the idea of rationalism by reading this literature. He contested against missionary claim by advocating reform in Hinduism through Vedanta text. This is also correct. He supported polytheism as well as monotheism. No, he supported monotheism but he never supported polytheism. So this option is going to be wrong. Next option is, he sent a memorandum to the Governor General appreciating the founding of the Sanskrit College in Calcutta. No, this is wrong. He didn't. Even he condemned it. When British government established Sanskrit College in Calcutta in 1820s or 30s, so they condemned it. Next question is, slavery was abolished by the Britishers in which year? Options are 1840, 42, 43, 44. So the correct answer is going to be 1843. So Indian government was instructed by Charter Act 1833 to abolish the slavery, and after 10 years this system was finally abolished and the law was made. Next question is, the Thugee Act was passed in which year? Options are 1832, 34, 36, 38. So this act was passed in 1836. Next question is, the Charter Act which instructed the government of India to abolish slavery was whom? Options are Charter Act 1793, 1813, 1833, 1853. So the correct answer is Charter Act 1833. Next question is, after the death of Ram Mohan Roy in 1833, the leadership of Brahmo movement was passed to whom? Options are Akshay Kumar Dutt, Devendranath Tagore, Keshav Chandra Sen, and Krishna Goswami. So the leadership was passed to Devendranath Tagore. Next question is, which one is not correctly matching? So the options are Brahmo Marriage Act 1872, this is correct. Hindu Widows Remarriage Act 1856, this is also correct. Brahmo Samaj of India, no, it was established in 1866. Adi Brahmo Samaj Keshav Chandra Sen, no, it was established by Devendranath Tagore. So only first and second are correct, third and fourth are wrong. Next question is, options are Lytton, William Sleeman, Charles Wood, Lord Stanley. So the correct answer is Sir William Sleeman. He was in ICS. Okay, he was a civil servant. So he was a chief architect who planned a campaign very rigorously against Thugee. Next question is, correct statement is or are. Options are members of Young Bengal professed atheism. Yes, this is true. They promoted the spirit of free thinking. Yes. They formed the Society for the Acquisition of General Knowledge in 1838. This is also correct. They encouraged child marriage. No, they didn't. They were against it. Next question is, Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science was formed in which year and by whom? Options are 1826 Raja Ram Mohan Roy, no. 1876 Mahendralal Sarkar. 1866 by Vishnu Shastri Pandit, no. 1866 by Keshav Chandra Sen, no. So the correct answer is going to be second, that is in 1876 by Mahendralal Sarkar. Next question is, who among the following tried to bridge the gap between Brahmoism and Vaishnavism? Options are Akshay Kumar Dutt, Devendranath Tagore, Keshav Chandra Sen and Bijay Krishna Goswami. So the correct answer is going to be fourth, Bijay Krishna Goswami. Next question is, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding Keshav Chandra Sen? Options are, he focused on expanding Brahma movement to the provinces outside Bengal, yes, and he was accompanied by Bijay Krishna Goswami. Next option is, his radicalism stand against Hinduism lead to the first rift in the Brahma movement. This is also true. He never compromised with his stand on the act of godless marriage. This is wrong. In his early days, he was favoring this, he was supporting this godless marriage, but over a time, he started condemning it and he started advocating that we should acknowledge the presence of God in the marriage ceremony. Next option is, he had close association with Ramakrishna Brahman. This is also true. So only third is wrong and all the options are correct. Next question is, Nababidhan, a movement towards new universalist religion, was started by whom? Options are Devendranath Tagore, Akshay Kumar Dutt, Keshav Chandra Sen and Bijay Krishna Goswami. So this Nababidhan movement towards a new universalist religion was started by Keshav Chandra Sen in 1881. So guys, this was for today. If you like this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. You can join us on Telegram and follow us on Instagram. The links are given in the description box and you will also get the link to quiz in the description box below. Thank you.